Checking your Klarna credit limit is essential for managing your spending effectively. Here's how to do it. Open the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Access your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Account tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Find Credit Details. Look for a section labeled Credit Limit or My Limit. This area will display your current limit along with any available balance. Review transactions. In the same section, you can also view your transaction history, which can help you understand your spending habits and how much credit you have used. Receive notifications. Klarna may send notifications or alerts when your credit limit changes or if you're eligible for an increase. Check online via website. Alternatively, you can log into your Klarna account through their website. Navigate to the credit section to view your limit. Contact support if needed. If you have difficulty finding your limit, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for assistance.